Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Marcos and today we're unboxing this GKU D100. It's a dual dash camera for your dashboard. It should record the road and stuff like that. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm waiting for my wife outside the store, so we're gonna see how to set it up and how it works. So let's get started. Every single moment on your fingertips. GKU D100, the dash cam, loop recording, parking mode, backup camera. And the back, we don't have much going on. It is a 1080p dual dash cam. And let's open it. Let's see what's inside. So this is everything we get in the box. We get the dash cam right here. As you can see, we have an SD card right here, up to 32 gigs you can put. It has a nice display. It tells you how to operate it. It does have the camera right here in the front. GKU, some buttons, the mode, record, okay, power on, power off. It also has a HDMI cable, a USB cable, and it does come with its own mount for the dash. And then what makes this kit better is that it actually comes with a backup camera. So you can actually connect the backup camera. So it'll record the front, it'll record the back. So when you're driving and stuff like that, you can do both for security. And it also comes with a power supply, which is a nice little micro USB cable that goes into your cigarette lighter, and then you can turn it on. So for this video, we're actually going to plug in the front one and see how it works, and then we can adapt the other one as well. So camera is very easy to use. Pretty much you have a backup camera and you have the front dash camera, so you can set it up wherever you want by the suction little mount that it comes with it, and it's very sturdy. And then the camera is very easy to adjust, so depending on what you're trying to look at, you can adjust it. It does have some buttons right here on the left side, so SD card goes here. You need it to record. You have some buttons right here. They're also right here on the right side, so you can see what they are. You can actually turn it on and turn it off right here as well. It has the buttons right here, it has the mode, it has the okay. So you can actually set up the rear camera. There's two ways to set it up. You can set it up behind in your car by your trunk, and you can actually plug it into your backup lights. So once you set up to your backup lights, it'll actually work as a backup camera, and then you'll see the backup camera you'll see right here. And then you could also set it up like the way I set it up. I set it up right here. So let's say you're like an Uber driver, you can actually see what's going on in the back like that. So I believe you can also record. So let me try and record. So SD card was inserted. I think we have to set up the SD card again, but you can record the back as well. And then in the front, you can see two views, the front and the back. And then you can also see the front as well. So once you insert the SD card, you can set up for automatic. So as soon as your car turns on, it'll turn on and start recording. Or you can set up for manual. I had mine for manual, but I think the SD card, I need to fix it right now. And all you have to do is press OK. And then once you hit OK, you'll see a little red light over here on the right side, and it'll start recording. And it's 1080p. If you look at the modes, you can go to 12 megapixel looks like, and then you can do 1080p, and it's a wider view and wider display. And then you can lock it right here, and then you can turn it off and on right here. So just hold it, it'll turn off, and you can turn it on as well. So very easy setup. The backup camera is nice because you can wire it to your lights, so it'll work as a backup camera. And then SD card slot goes here, and then here's the buttons for settings and playback and all that. And then let me get back to the camera one more time so you guys can take a better look at it. So this is what the camera looks like. Like I said, it has a front facing camera. It has the nice display, so depending where you're pointing at, you can record. Once you have your SD card, it'll tell you how much time it'll actually record. If you can see right there, it says 2 hours and 4 minutes in 1080p. And then let's see if it changes when we do 12 megapixel. I cannot see. I think in 12 megapixel it says it might record 14 hours. And then you can see the dates and the times, and then it'll tell you like the battery, if it's plugged in or if it's not plugged in. Here's some buttons right here on the left side, some buttons right here on the right side, and they're also pictured right here. So let's actually go for a drive, see what we record. So as you can see the little display. It's actually recording, and I can see the timer. So far it has 51 seconds and it's still recording. And then very clear, it looks very clear and very easy to set up. Pretty much you plug it in, insert your SD card, And once you insert your SD card, it'll start recording once you hit OK, or if you hit it in automatic settings, so it records on its own. So very nice. And then you can adjust this. You can set it up wherever you want. It has long cords, so you can put it out of your way. I would possibly put it in a corner where it doesn't bother my view, but very easy to set up.